In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Gmail display density, comfortable vs compact. We'll do this on a computer using a web browser. Display density controls how much information fits on your screen and how your inbox looks and feels. Adjusting it can make your email easier to scan, help you spot attachments at a glance, and reduce scrolling during a busy day. Start by opening Gmail in your browser. Once your inbox is visible, look to the top right corner and click the Settings gear icon. This is the small gear near your profile picture. As soon as you click it, a panel called Quick Settings will slide in from the right side of the screen. Near the top of this panel, you'll see a section labeled Density. This is where you can change how tightly or loosely your email list is spaced. Now choose the option that suits you. Default gives you the roomiest layout and includes attachment previews directly under the subject line. If an email has a PDF, a spreadsheet, or a slideshow, you'll see small icons right beneath the subject, making it easy to identify important files without opening the message. This view is great when visual cues help you prioritize. Comfortable keeps roughly the same spacing as default, but removes those attachment previews so you can see more messages at once. Attachments are still indicated by a paperclip icon on the right side of the email row. If you want a clean inbox while still maintaining readability, this strikes a nice balance. Compact minimizes the vertical space between messages to fit the maximum number of emails on your screen. Lines are tighter and you'll scroll less to scan your inbox. This is ideal if you handle a high volume of messages or prefer seeing as many subject lines as possible at one time. When you click any of these options, the change applies instantly. There's nothing extra to save. You can switch back and forth as often as you like, which is helpful if you want compact at work and comfortable or default when you're reviewing fewer emails. On smaller laptops, comfortable or compact can reveal more messages without constant scrolling, while on larger monitors, default can be easier on the eyes and makes attachment types immediately visible. Keep in mind, this setting only affects how you see your inbox. It doesn't change how your emails appear to anyone else. That's all it takes. Open Gmail, click the gear, find the density section in Quick Settings, and pick Default, Comfortable, or Compact. Try each for a minute and settle on the one that keeps you focused and productive.